Let's get a quick video for the weekend. We're out here at Northwest OHV Park, Bridgeport, whatever. Got the Bubba's new KRX. I haven't put his trail tires back on. We got the Turbo R. We got the Jeep. And then we got these on sale. 35s. Gonna be putting them on so they can break some shit. What's up, Paul? Boom, just like that. Made a big difference. Jose just pulled up in the Jeep. Check this out. I don't know if I've shown the inside. Look at this. Alrighty, let's get it going. Let's get it, dude. I haven't been here in like 6 years. Imagine having a $35,000 Razor. 2 of them over here riding around in the damn shit box, bouncing all over the place. Yeah, I did this to myself. Check engine lights on too. This thing needs a suspension. There's shocks. One of the 2 or 3, or all of the above. Y'all see this phone moving is exactly how my head's moving. My neck already hurt this morning. I think I slept wrong. This does not make it any better. Just look at my little tree going crazy. Jesus. We're almost out. Oh, I missed it. I should have just brought the mud beater by. It's only one meal here. Jesus. Ah! Yeah, the Jeep, they said. It'll be fine. Damn it. Nice, very nice. I just hold on my tool. I record this way. You always record the other way. Oh my God. I haven't seen this fast. Zoomed in. Am I good over there? Fell off or anything? I'm trying to go around this rock. Oh my God. Oh shit. I don't think I ever got to this part of the park when I had the high lifter. I think all we did was come play in the mud at the bottom. Yeah, full of water. Back in the day. Oh God! It was 2000. left us. Come back. We're too slow. And he ain't got the mud tires on. We'll come back in when it's warmer. I think he's scared to scratch it.
Look, my new hands.
I didn't even know there was trails like this over here. Yeah, I have to put it in 4 low. I think that's 4 low. Uh-oh. Now we're stuck. Let's see what that cow you do.